برنامج كأي نقدر قالنا سيد عادة دقن كينو ما دام مسلمين عن هاي خاصة عندنا صوماليا عن هاي وحول بقون باللاون يعني وحنكو باللاونا أيضا القرآن الكريم كا وحامرك كسر دوين يا محمد حسين علي أو نوقف الدونه أيضا قرآن فضلا كسر دوا محمد حسين علي.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون نزلا من غفور رحيم. ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين صدق الله العظيم.
هذا أصلا هذا وحوسي جود بيا قيبتا مهد علمتا ولو مهد علينا يو هايدا لو ما قعد سورسويد تاسو وحي قرش مسفن أوسو مريسي أيضا هايدا لو ما قعد جدو ديفلوبمنت تاس أو ومسؤول كي هاي هايدا سورسويد مركان يراهدو إنجنير إدريس شيخ حسن فرح مهد علينتاس سيدا هورين كوغو شيغاي وحفلada fara badan aanu qabanay iskuulkan waxa dhigta arday ugu yaraan ilaa iyo 300 kor u dhaafayo waxya inta lacagta bixisa markii loo eegona aad bay u tira yar yihiin inta badan waxay ku dhigtaan iskuulka bilaash ayay ku dhigtaan waad qiyaasi kartaan ninkii mas'uuliyadda korka iska saaray hirgeliyay inay maanta barnaamijkeena si toos u noogu socdo xagga waxbarashada ninkaas oo lagu magacaabsan hore u sheegay Idriis Sheekh Xasan مهد علينتاس أرضيدا بلاش كسكول ككل قطار كم إذا يعني يريا كاسنا وحلقوا مقعبة أسامة أحمد جارنة فليتفضل.
أودي إلى جميع الحاضرين والمشاهدين والأساتذة والضيوف الكرام تحية أهل الجنة وأهل السماء ألا وهي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بعد هذه التحية الوجيزة القيمة فها أنا أطامح اليوم أن أشكر هذا الميدان المبارك المعلمون والوالدين والمسؤولين الذين أسسوا هذه الحفلة القيمة التي وديت هذه الكيفية الحسنة وخاصة هيئة صورصور التي لعبت دورا فعالا بمساعدتها هذا المدرسة من كل جانب إن كان من جانب رواتب شهرية أو مساعدة أخرى. خلاصة القول فها أنا أشكر كل هيئات والمعلمين والوالدين الذين قاموا أوقاتهم لمساعدة هذه المدرسة وأقول لكم تعاونوا على البر والتقوى ولا تعاونوا على الإثم والعدوان ألا وهي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
هذا نحن يا قيبت إنجليز كما هذا علينته محمد حسين فليتفضل.
In the name of Allah, Master Garash Yosef and the Master Mesbud, respected heritage, beloved teachers, dear parents, friends and neighbors, will I be able to thank you all enough with words I wonder, but I do want to thank you all enough, all from the bottom of my heart. Firstly, my teachers, I stand before you today because of the effort I put in by my teachers. They molded me into what I am now. They held me. They held me when I stand, where I stabilized, when I achieved adversity, when I faced problems, guided me, when I was in debt, and above all, showered their unconditional love on me. I owe them everything, and I salute them for all that. Thank you for everything. Thank you one and all. I'm greeting basically which says peace of Allah be upon you.
آدية أيوة معسين كاتروها محمد حسين ولبا أنت فضل أمها الدليل يا معلمين تسكول كوابري خير كاسو كارسيان هذا أنا محاولس فيك وده قلنا وقتي وعريري وحيك برنامج كينو دمنا نديبو ديجان دونا برنامج كينا هدف هو إن ما انتهى كان سكول كينا إن أرضي ده أنت جابينه وحبرشوا ده هير كي جالسي سنتهاي توس أيان وجود قليا حاجة ترتنكا مركب حاجة عصية وحير هوسات كينو يا لو نقول دونا قالوا إنك ترتمى يفصل كأفراد أو رأسا فصل كلحات فصل كشانات أو رأسا فصل كسدحات وحا عصي مركب ترتنك اللي وجود الجرو النظام كالإيراني nidaamka marka la ilaaliyo waxaan ula jeedaa waqtiga su'aasha niilisi inaad koobtaan halkii su'aal waxay leedahay 2 daqiiqo su'aasha aan soo jeediyay qolada iskale iyo qoladan iskale heenba qolada iskale su'aasha 2 daqiiqo ayaad uga jawaabaysaa haddii 2 daqiiqo in ka dhacdana way ka wareegaysaa qolada kale ka faa'iideysana haddii ay tusaale ay dhacdo in su'aasha ay heli waayaan waxaa linka codsanayaa markay gafaan inaad hore kusoo istaagtaan haddaad ilbiriqsi aad sii fadhidaan su'aasha way wareegaysaa meesha iyadoo looga tagaya waxaa kaloo iga codsiya qofka hadduu soo istaago sabuuradda u imaado inaanan hadal kale aysan jirin haddii hadal dhinacina laga maqlo su'aashaasna meeshaas ay ku kacaysaa wax dhibcana ma helaysaan marka nidaamku in la ilaaliya taas ayaa codsiga ah midaan hore raacnaa waxay tahay dadka barnaamijka ka qayb qaadanaya ardayda gabdhaha iyo wiilasha waxaan ka codsanaya grupka aad la safan tihiin haddii su'aasha ay helaan way idin bannaan inaad u sacbisaan laakiin sacabkiina waa inuu xagadnaada yaan lagu talax tagin oo waqti dheer loo qaadanin intaas way qofka hadduu su'aasha u gafana mid la mid ah qolada taageersan waa u sacbin kartaan haddii aad ka aamustaan lama diidon laakiin wixii aflagaadaa meesha way ka baxsan tahay barnaamijka ayaa toos noogu bilaabanayo haddana waxaan u gudagalayaa sida hore kugu sheegna tartanku wuxuu u dhaxeeyaa fasalka 5aad raacsan fasalka 3aad fasalka 4aad oo raacsan fasalka 6aad waxyaalaha lagu tartamayna waxay noqonayaan ma kala saarayno waa inta luqadood inta maadoo lagu baranayo iskuulka waa bari primary school oo ah 8 maado ay ka kooban yihiin xagga computerka waa raacsanta laakiin inta badan waqtiga oo cariiri ah iyo macalinka oon joogin waxaan cudurdaar ka bixinaynaa in maadada computerka tartanka noogu jirin waxaan si toos ugu tartamaynaa luqadda oo ingiriiska ah raacsan xisaabta cilmi sayniska oo inta badan la yiraahdo caafimaadka kiswaahiliga oo luqadda sawaaxiliga ah socialka oo loo yaqaano cilmiga bulshada qaybta diiniga oo ayariga carabiga tarbiyada ayaa noo raacsan inta ayadaan ku tartamayna wax maanta lagu cusubna maaha inta badan waxyaalo badan waqtiyaal badan baan soo wadnay waqtigeena ku dheeraanin si toos ayaa noogu bilaabanayaan su'aasha nidaamka waad fahansantiin baa u malaynaya hal qof oo nambarada idiin qabto waayo su'aalaha markay qoran yihiin hadhow aniga haddaan su'aasha koowaad idiin qaado ama su'aasha labaad idiin qaado oo su'aasha ay ku adkaato waxay noqonaysaa in macallimiin uu qoro u waaxday marka taayida ma anigoo ilaahay ka cabsanaya su'aalaha ay u qoran yihiin nambarka aad qabsatay ayaan ku qabanaya nambar 1 hadaa qabsata 2 kuma akhrinayo 1 ayaan ku akhrinaya haddii aad ku dhacdo waa adiga haddii qolada mid fudud ay ku soo toosto mid adkay kugu soo toostana waa nasiibkaaga qof aad eedeyn karta ma jirto remember you should come and show you are working don't come and write only answer you have to show how you have worked out that question you show you are working including if you are able to write the formula itself the working also like that. Okay, save time please, save time. Okay, I'm very sorry, that question is not right, it's wrong.
One minute.
Less than even 30 seconds, that's your chance. Come up very fast if you have the right answer. Okay. I'm very sorry. That one also is wrong. That one also is wrong. That one also is wrong. Remember, or bear in mind that formula for finding area of a square is side times side. You got the right answer, the right formula, which is side times side. But how you work it out also is wrong. Here you are saying side times side. At the same time, you are multiplying by 4, which is not right. Side times side, correct. Area of a square is equal to side times side. Then the side is 12 centimeter. The other side also is 12 centimeter. So the area of a square is 144 centimeter square. 144 centimeter square. It is the area of a square. So we go to question, the next part, which is science. The next part, which is just science. Here the result in math is 2 for class 5 and 3. The result here is 0 for class 5, 6 and for class 6 and 4. Let us go to science this time round. Question number? Your group. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says like this. People who cannot see things clearly have dashed eyesight. People who cannot see things clearly have dashed eyesight. So what do they have? Okay, that question's answer is wrong. Get your chance, please, class 6 and 4. Less than 30 seconds. Very fast. It's like you don't have. You don't have, because I already told you that this one will not take time, because it's not your question. The question is not yours. You need to benefit from it, and the beneficial is just less than 30 seconds. Like eyes. It's not right, my friend. That one, it's not right. So according to this question, we'll just answer I will give you the answer later. But let's go to the next question, which is question 1. Which is question 1. The first question was people who cannot see things clearly. But this question says people who can see. The first time was cannot, but this time around can see. That's why I say the answer is later, because if I say the answer of the first question, it's obvious that you will get the answer of the second question. That's why I got it that. Yes? Smile. Sorry. Short sight. It's not correct, it's wrong. You are saying correct. It is not correct, it is wrong. Come. Producer, very fast, very fast. Very fast. Light eyes. It's also wrong. It's also wrong. Remember this question? Okay, let's go to Kiswahili. Question. The result here, science 0 for both sides. 0 for both sides. Remember, it's still class 6. You have not even scored 1 point. Class Swahili number 1. Swahili number 1. Swali linasema neno paka liko katika ngeli gani? Neno paka liko katika ngeli gani? Neno paka liko katika ngeli gani? Harakisha tafadhali sana. Neno paka liko katika ngeli gani? Ngeli ya a wa. Hiyo umepata. Swali la pili inasema nyumba cha kupokea wageni huitwa nyumba cha kupokea wageni huitwa nyumba cha kupokea wageni huitwa. Simama tafadhali sana, usipoteze muda kama una jawabu. Abubakar. Nyumba cha kupokea wageni huitwa sebuleni. Sahihi kabisa. It shows that they have scored point. The first point here is 2 points. Hope you will continue. Let's go to social studies. Let's have silence, please. Let's have silence, please. Question number 1. Question number 1. You are told name the 4 compass directions. Come and write the names of the 4 compass directions. Come and write the names of the 4 compass directions. Take time. Whether the question is very simple or not, take time. You might come and lose that question. Okay, come and write the 4 compass directions. They say north, south, east, and west. Correct. This question goes to class 6 and 4. Question number 2, social studies. Who is the head of a district? Who is the head of a district? You write in full. You write in full. Who is the head of district? Let's save time. Who is the head of a district? Pastor Abubakar. The head of a district is called district commissioner. Only that there is a spell here, but let me award you the score. District commissioner. Here means everyone got his point. The result here social is 2. The result here is 2. Now, this time round, let's go to Islamic religious education. We go to IRE. Question number 2. Which surah is called the heart of the Quran? The Quran itself has different names. So there is a surah that the name itself is the heart of the Quran, that everyone knows. That surah, what is the name of that surah? The surah that we call it is the heart of the Quran. Which surah is that? Which surah is that? It is the heart of the Quran. Which surah is that? time, save time. It's like you don't have. Then wake up. You're wasting time. You don't have, eh? Very fast. The time is over. I'll just give you 0. Faster, please. It's almost time. Okay. Try. You have tried, but it's not right. It is wrong. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. I said she has tried, but how are you getting something wrong? I said she has tried. Faster, Bana. Faster, please. Okay, Surah Al-Yasin. It's like how she has written is just on the spelling, but it's correct. Correct. Your question this time round is question 1. Let's have silence, please. Question number 1. What is the name of the shortest surah of the Holy Quran? What is the name of the shortest surah of the Holy Quran? What is the name of the shortest surah of the Holy Quran? Surah Al-Kawthar, correct. It seems class 6 you have done your best. Result here is 3. Result here is 0. Let us go to Arabic. No, let us go to Tarbiyah first. Let us go to Tarbiyah before Arabic. Let us go to Tarbiyah. Number 1. It is Tarbiyah, yeah? Arabic will be last. Question number 1. Question number 1. Tarbiyah says like this. ما أكثر البلاد الإسلامية سكانا. Which question is this? It's Arabic. The same. It is Arabic time, yeah? ما أكثر البلاد الإسلامية سكانا. Okay, Indonesia, right? Is correct? The second question here, Arabic says like this. ما أول قبلة للمسلمين. Keep quiet. Learning. ما أول قبلة للمسلمين. المسجد الأقصى. Correct. The result here is 2. The result here is 2. Now we go to Tarbiyah number. Save time please. Tarbiyah number 2. Very simple. ما أركان الإيمان. Very simple. Of which you don't know, you are not a Muslim. ما أركان الإيمان. Save time please. كم أركان الإيمان؟ كم أركان الإيمان؟ I've read the question in the wrong way. I'm not giving it. كم أركان الإيمان؟ 6. Correct. Okay, class 6 and 4. كم أركان الإسلام؟
أمس
5. Correct. So the result here is 2. Result here is 2. So because of time, the questions I told you to prepare, we don't have time for it. We don't have time for it, please and please. عفوا وحيدا سؤالات صوت ديارية اللي وشنت السؤالين اسكو حيتان وقت لو معي. So we'll make it another time inshallah. On Saturday morning, سوي المركز تبتدي نسوي معنا. أيا كده جانينا. But here it is over like that. So let's count. Let's see who won the competition. Class 5 and 6, you have 1 here. Class 2 is 3. Class 2 is 5. Class 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. Here is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. We must have a winner, man. Everybody win lahera. Everybody win lahera.